Welcome back to the Double Diamond Railroad. And we have been away for quite a while in Tennessee visiting our daughter and kids, grandkids. Just got back yesterday, Sunday afternoon, about 4:15. And no sooner did we get here, we didn't actually get here, we were 7 miles from home. We got a text that she had double gallbladder attack again. Hadn't had it in months, like 6 months. And now she had to call and get surgery scheduled. Called this morning. So we're going to be going back. Not right away. So I got to crank out some videos, get scheduled up here. We got a mess to clean up on the layout. We had a good trip. My grandson and I watch a lot of trains every day together, real and models. So we got a lot to do here. Let's see. We're going to move the big 5000 out. Taking grain trains going to eastbound. He's got to head out. See if they can run after been sitting here for over 10 days. Dust building up. And while he's going down the road, I'm going to back up to this 3216. There's a dead spawn. See if I can run two at once. That's the wrong way for him. Just watching a video up here. I saw the local go through the Grange, waiting on him. I was watching the LA Rails video, UP switching. Oh, we're hitting the dirt over there now. That's a drive over it. Get it straightened out. So this NS is going to come down, drop off these interchange cars, and then the CSX will come out and pick them off. NS got to get back over to his yard, and he couldn't do it without the grain train getting out of town. They're all dirty. Both tracks. Okay, he's going to stop there. Get uncoupled. Grain train proceeds through town. I better get back on him. slow him down so I can deal with both of them at the same time. We'll go down there and see what he's doing. Grain train is going back around the bend. He's heading for the tower. We'll go ahead and tend to him right now so we don't have a problem. He's got to go through the diamond. So far he's running good. Slow him down just a bit. See if we can get through that diamond. These grain cars. They haven't been back around since they were modified. Not going to go too much farther. He's got a signal up there before he goes around the bypass, Utica Terminal bypass. He's going to slow down and stop. Keep him clear of that track back there, siding. And that'll do. Okay, you can tie your train down for now until you get to new crew. Just shut her down right there. Okay, he's tying it down. Setting some handbrakes. We're going to come back over here and get our switcher on to move back to NS Yard. Okay, pretty sure knocked off that Wisconsin Central in front. We'll check them later. Okay, these guys are cleared over to their yard. Clear westbound. Let's go. Didn't go. Let's try again. My thumbs and fingers are so sore. That hard water in the hotel for 10 days. I got splits and cuts all over my hand. I can't hardly push anything or hold on to anything. So I was going to start right in on ballasting, but no way. I'm too cut up. Couldn't stand that right now. Oh, we hit a dead track. No, but it did hit something. Let's stop. Emergency stop. Let's get the camera set up here a little better. Turn the bell off. Restart our engine. Dropped out to 1 on that switch. Definitely got some dirt collected while we're going. There comes the furnace. Keep me warm. Okay, let's go. Back on the road. I got some goodies coming in the mail today and tomorrow. I think one of them's already at the post office being held. And the one I really want is coming tomorrow. Came from California all the way to Atlanta, Georgia, then back up here. So it may get held up an extra day. Goes into Columbus. They always hold up mail about 2 days. Just sits over there. Gets the engines broke in again. Loosened up. I'm sure it was cold down here. Had a house set on 65 and it was like 20 all the time. We didn't have any better weather down there either. Middle Tennessee, it was cold, like 22, and we had 2 snows while we were there. Last one was like a couple inches. Here we're going to see if we can get this guy back into the yard. Got to turn on some power. That'll do. Okay, let's get in here and turn on some power and throw the switch. All right, they're cleared into the yard. Got a spot for them. Where they came from several weeks ago. Right back in there. Always separated. They'll catch up. Get them on the straight part. See that engine out there is kind of jerky. Scale train's on the right. Intermountain on the left. That'll do right there. I'll have to back up to one engine by itself, get them hooked up. Okay, got that done. Now let's go pick up our interchange cars. Okay, here we got a crew on 3313 train. Fire them up. That's the one we got the scale trains couplers. Both engines on the right are scale trains. think the last one on the left's a Kato. But the BNSF's got his new couplers on now. And I really need to put a new one on 3313, the lead engine on the rear, I think. It looks broke. They're on the way. I got a email last week that they were shipped, but no tracking. And it said 2 orders of 1. So I don't know if they sent me just 2 couplers again, or if they sent the 6 I asked for. Because they said, you order it, we'll send you a bill, then we'll mail it. Well, I never got an invoice. They just mailed them out, no charge, under warranty again. So I hope I do get 6 so I can work on these individual engine problems. Dirty there. Felt like he cut out. Yeah. Cut out as soon as he moved. Let's go, boys. Time's a wasting. Got alert hurricane season coming. No, not for a while. Come on, June 1st. What I did see though from Reed Timmer, he's expecting a big tornado season with up to 30 tornadoes on Ohio, 80 tornadoes over Tennessee. Comparing it to 50 years ago to the 1974 super outbreak. We'll see. Can't even get the hurricane count right. I don't know how you're going to get the tornado count. That's a lot harder. Now we got to see if we got that car on the track. Is it going to pull it? Is it derailed? Standby. Okay, it might be on. We'll see. Construction. Well, I guess it was on. Didn't hurt it too bad. Take him over here and he'll stop short of the concrete road. And that'll do. And there we go. There he is. He can tie it down till next time. Gotta keep things moving today. Got a lot going on since we got back. I gotta get my new items, get them on the layout, see what all I got, see what I collected. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Take care, God bless. Good to be back. I missed my trains, watching it all on videos and I couldn't do anything. My grandson, first word he learned was tank car, but he didn't say the whole thing. That's what he does right now. He's right at 2.5. He said T-car. He kept saying T-car, first letter. Eventually he said tank to me. And he'd say boxcar. He was saying engines and caboose. He likes caboose. There's a nice red caboose right there. And today I got him a shirt in the mail from Daylight Sales in California. And it's got about 8 cabooses on it in color, a white shirt. Hope it fits him good. He'll be excited. We talked to him this morning. And he actually said on the phone that we were in, he said all this gibberish and said Ohio. I said, yeah, that's right, we're in Ohio. He's learning. Let's see, he said Hopper. He can say Hopper too. And we were identifying him on videos. I practiced with him. So that's fun. He crawled up my lap now. He can climb up there on his own. That was great. Okay. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. Have a great week. Double Diamond Railroad out.